First, we'll use bright pink Play-Doh for the top of the dress. Next, we'll make a long snake of white Play-Doh and outline the top. For the bottom of the dress, we'll use a lighter shade of pink and form it to the tail section of the pony. Aurora's dress has triangle shapes around her waist, so we'll cut them out and wrap them around the pony. Sleeping Beauty's hair is soft yellow, so we'll make lots of long snake shapes of yellow Play-Doh and place them on the pony. We can also gently curl the ends. Now we'll top it off with a golden crown and 3 pink jewels. And that's it! Now you have a beautiful Sleeping Beauty costume for your My Little Pony. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like this video and subscribe. Have a great day. See you next time.